Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. Wanted to give you an update here on CLOV or Clover Health. Found an article here on investingcube.com and it says Clover Health stock slides to a loss for September. Will CLOV recover? It says the Clover stock price has closed lower in each of the last 7 days, making the health insurer's longest ever losing streak. A week ago, Clover jumped 22%, hurdling a major resistance level and breaking out on the upside. However, since, Clover has declined every day. Clover Health, or CLOV, was once a darling of Reddit's Wall Street Bets investing forum. At the end of 2020, fueled by the SPAC investing boom and a growing retail fan base, Clover stock surged 74% to $17.45. By May, CLOV had lost 65% and languishing at $6.30. Further bouts of volatility ensued over the next 2 months. In April, Clover popped to $11.77 before returning to $6.50 in May. However, the real fireworks came in June. Between the 19th of May and the 7th of June, Clover stock exploded 84% to $12. By the 9th of June, CLOV was changing hands at $28.85, bringing its 3-week returns to 340%. Similarly to previous rallies, this one was also short-lived, and aside from the spike earlier this month, Clover has been trending lower ever since. Furthermore, Clover is not the hot forum topic it once was. Mentions of the company have fallen off a cliff, and many members have thrown in the towel, which could be a problem for CLOV in the short term. The daily chart shows Clover failed to clear overhead resistance last week and is now turning lower. Furthermore, the retreat from $11.13 has forced the price below the 200-day moving average at $9.83. The loss of the 200 DMA triggered further liquidation, sending the price beneath the 50-day at $8.89 and the 100-day at $9.29. The current price of $8.14 is approaching a band of support between $7.40 and $7.80. Clover must hold this support level or it will be in danger of sliding back to the May low at around $6.50. Until CLOV reclaims the 200 DMA, the bearish scenario looks likely. Therefore, as long as the stock is trading below $9.83, a return to $6.50 is in the cards. However, successful clearance of the 200-day moving average will indicate a change in sentiment and invalidate this bearish thesis. Look here at the price action on CLOV. Some of the things talked about in this article, I believe I covered in my recent video on Clover Health here. You can see that there has been that sell-off and that track downward in the short term, but the price is still respecting this long-term support line here. You can see late August that it dipped below that for a couple days and then it rallied right back up and made this huge pump up here to about $11, a little over $11, and then it's been selling off since. So I would say if the price can stay above this support level here, and it hits that and has a nice bullish response to it, that the price will not go below there. If the price does go below this support level and starts to sell off, then like the article is talking about, we could be going down and testing this 650 level here. So I think this long-term support line that I've drawn out here is a very important price point for the stock. You can see that the selling pressure is slowing down. I mean, it made this pump to over 11 and it has been selling off. You have some bigger candles here, but as it approaches this long-term support level here, these candles are getting smaller. You can really see the selling pressure starting to slow. So we may see buyers pile in here and start to drive this thing back up again and maybe try to make a run at retesting this $11 mark here. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on Clover. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.